Spiral review quizzes go over any material we've already covered from our course. It's going to be 10 questions long, and it should take you about 5 minutes per question, okay? And again, I would have a goal of doing your spiral review before the end of the unit, though you have until the end of the course to get these done. Okay, there's a little difference here than the mastery quizzes. For the spiral review quizzes, all the scores are going to be kept. So if you score below a five or below, you will get a percentage score. Okay. Lastly, the difference between a spiral review quiz and a mastery quiz is you only get 2 attempts for a spiral review quiz. So 1 initial attempt and 1 retake. Again, the highest score will be kept, and you can retake the quiz anytime before 11/19, or that's the end of the trimester. Okay. Please make sure you do your independent practice and your mastery quizzes before you take your spiral review quiz. When you're ready, go ahead and press take the quiz and get started.